there's a...
Ay, sus. Wedgie.
It's a wedgie.
This is my outfit for today. I'm wearing something simple lang. So I'm wearing a basic white tee, shorts, and knee-high boots. This is like an illusion to the knee-high boots. So ang ginawa ko lang is I'm wearing a long black socks and this pair of shoes. So yeah, I originally supposed to wear sneakers for this outfit, but I think it's going to be too basic. So I want to at least elevate my outfit. And then I also accessorize with watch, rings, and then earrings na rin, dangling.
Ano sa Trojan horse?
Trojan horse.
Kala ko high horse na siya. Ano bang context ng high horse? Bigla ako namin ng high horse. Mataas na ba? Hindi ko rin alam yan.
Check!
Very formal muna, like gano'n. Gusto niyo ba? Oo. Bye-bye! Uy!
Ito mo nga yun. Ayan.
Ay, ito nga. Ano to?
Ito na. babae lang joke.
Uy, ang ganda may mother. Doon lang ako sa perfume.
Yeah, parang may nagustuhan ako na shade. Magkita yung mukha ako.
Oo na yung arm mo. Tabi mo. Ayan. Ayaw mag-focus, girl. Isa pa.
First wedding, ay na siya, ay napuntis siya, waiting na siya. Pero parang sakto lang na hit.
To the right, to the right. To the right, to the right. Ay, to the right.
Ayan. Naputuso.
Gawin mo siya, Sister Mena.
Good to see you, Murad. Go, I want to ask you, as you can see from our collage, no bro, blue tayo, blue tayo. Yung brief ko. Blue lang. Boxers ko blue.
Nakakatakot mag-trip ng bus.
Brown one. Ain't no way you just. But I'm just bro.
It's like nerds! Strawberry. Matcha. That's custard. You got matcha. I got matcha. Pero lang kung riding nila tayo.
With Amber also.
Basically,
Sabi yung ginagawa niya sa papa.
This is my fit. May pagkita ko sa tita ko and her family. We're going to celebrate All Saints Day. Bibisitahin namin yung lola namin sa cemetery and lolo. Okay, so ito yung fit ko kasi nandito na sila, so I have to do a speed run. Ito yung fit ko. It's basic but I don't care. Uuwi naman ako sa bahay. And this is the bag of the day. It's a bag that I bought off from Carousel. It is very spacious. Ang daming pwede ilagay na laman dito. So, this is my go-to bag. So, yeah, may claw clip ako and then bounce na ako.
Malayo.
Tingin ko landmark eh.
That's
Half body lang.
kita yung ulo, half body, pero kita yung view.
Sige. Yeah.